Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry and you're watching the A. So, now today is a very special day, not just for me, but for you guys, because you're gonna have your very first look at the ROG Phone 5. Let's go! As if the ROG Phone 5 wasn't enough, Asus ROG was very generous to send over the Aeroactive cooler, the ROG Cetra 2 core earphones, and this big boy, which is the latest ROG Kunai gamepad, obviously compatible with the ROG Phone 5. Now let's quickly unbox all this and get into the specs of the ROG Phone 5 that all of you have been waiting to see. Let's start with the Aeroactive cooler. You know, save the best for last. Let's see, simple box, it's just the accessories, nothing else. And there you go. This is the Aeroactive cooler. So apart from the fan itself and the connectors that connect to the side of the phone, the Aeroactive cooler this time also has these keys on the left and right. All you need to do is basically just remove this port protector here and attach it to the Aeroactive cooler like so, with the connector parts on the bottom as well, corresponding to the cooler. So once that is plugged in, it will show up with a notification saying that the Aeroactive cooler is connected. So that's basically the Aeroactive cooler. And now for the ROG Cetra 2. So you get the carrying case and of course the earphones themselves. Next up, the Kunai gamepad. So the Kunai gamepad isn't just the controllers itself, but it also comes with a bumper case that goes onto your phone so that you can use the controllers on the left and right sides. But apart from that, it also has a grip, allows you to attach the controllers to make it feel and look more like a controller, which is this thing. And the controllers are actually in this hard carrying case. In the carrying case, there's actually a pocket here for you to, maybe store your earphones. And the controller itself looks like this. Pretty much is like the Nintendo Switch controllers, like the Joy-Cons. This is actually the charger for both the controllers and also the connector for you to connect it to the grip. And also there is this guy, which is the bumper case that's gonna go onto the ROG Phone 5. So this is what it looks like. Put on the bumper case, just align the USB Type-C port to the USB Type-C connector on the bumper case. Let's just snap it on. Once that is on there, you are ready to attach the controllers as so. Just slide them on at the side. Done. So that's the ROG Kunai. But if you want to use it remotely as a controller by itself, all you need to do is just remove the controllers. So just slide them out, attach it back into the middle piece, which also acts as the charger, like so. Slide them on, attach the grip to the back, clip it, and there you go. That is the ROG Kunai. So this time around, the packaging is a little more simple. It's not like the triangle biohazard sign kind of design. It's rectangular box and it opens up like so. And you can see a little bit of anime panel drawing here for those who dare. This box compartment here holds the SIM ejector pin as well as the regular bumper case and also a couple of really cool ROG stickers. Below that box compartment is none other than the phone itself. Let's see what else is in the box first, okay? Now in here, we have the USB Type-C to C cable, and this is very nice because it is indeed braided, so extra protection. And also included within the box is the ROG's very own 65-watt charger, a C to C charger. Oh, you're supposed to launch the Armory crate and scan these AR cartoons, apparently. Let's try that. Here is the screen that welcomes you after you finish all the setting up, and the one that we have is this one, which is sort of the base model, and the limited edition as well as the more premium models will have a different packaging design, which is similar to the ROG Phone 2 and 3. Okay. here is the phone. This is the ROG Phone 5. So that's pretty much it from me for the unboxing of the ROG Phone 5 and a quick walkthrough of the phone itself as well as some of the accessories that came with it. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you haven't already. My name is Terry, thank you guys for watching and I will catch you all the next time.